Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And so today guys, I'm gonna be showing how to make my favorite Kenyan street food. This is smocha guys, something you cannot just escape. So all you need is one chapati, kachumbari, and some tomato sauce. I like tomato sauce. You can use any other sauce of your choice. So yeah guys, so simple to assemble. So let me show you how. You just fold like this and like this, and voila, you got your smocha. So beautiful guys, and I love it. The taste is just heavenly. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite street food, whether Kenyan or wherever you come from. Let me know your favorite street food. It might be the next one to try out. So yeah guys, we got this. Please make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends, and also make sure that you try this street food. It's delicious. You cannot miss out.